Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Grade 2, this is your lesson number 2 and this is exercise number 2 in your booklet. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Grade 2, this is your lesson number 2 and this is exercise number 2 in your booklet. Let's start it. We will start through examples. There are two sets of examples. Let's read them. Number 1, he sleeps. Number 2, Sarah cleans. Number 3, Ali takes bath. Number 4, she washes. Have you noticed something? Here in all, with verb, we added s or es. Sleep is simple present verb and now this is sleeps, we added s. Clean, we added s and now this is cleans. Takes and washes, we added es here. Now this is second set of examples. Number 1, they sleep, there is no s. Number 2, we clean, again you can see there is no s. Number 3, you take bath, take s, again without s. She washes, she wash, this is wrong, we cut it. She wash is not a correct word. We will write here something else like they, we, you. I can write I wash. Now this is correct. I wash. So this is the lesson about use of simple present verb with nouns and pronouns. With he, with she, with singular noun like Sarah, Ali, we write verb with s. And with they, with we, with you and I, the verbs are without s. So this is second slide and in this you can see with he, she, it and singular noun we use simple present verb with s. And with they, you, I, we and plural noun we use simple present verb without s. You should memorize this rule. Now for better example, for better understanding, I am giving you some more examples like he brings, she brings, it brings, Ali brings, Sarah brings, child brings, student brings, because child and students both are singular noun, Ali and Sarah singular noun, and you know with he, she, it and any singular noun we use verb with s. So bring becomes brings. And now this is the second half of the slide. Here you can see they bring, we bring, you bring, I bring, Sarah and Ali. Now I combine both Sarah and Ali. So we say this is is a plural noun. Sarah and Ali are two persons. So with Sarah and Ali we say bring. Sarah and Ali bring. Children bring, because child is singular, child brings and children bring. Students brings, because is student was singular here and this is students, we add s. This add is for plural. And you bring, we bring, they bring. Now inshallah you can see, you can do easily this exercise. Make sentences by choosing nouns and pronouns from one column and second half from the other. So here are the pronouns I, she, you, Asim, they, we, Naila and donkey. And here are the sentences, half sentences you have to combine, and then you will write these sentences here, and you know how you have to do the work by watching the video.